We have reached Patni Top.
Patni Top is a beautiful hill station.
It is a 2.5 hours drive from Jammu and the route is just splendid. It can be visited in summers as well as during winters. The beauty in both seasons has its own charm. Stay tuned for a glimpse of both the experiences with us. We have reached Patni Top Skyview Point. From here you can enjoy a cable ride down the valley. This is India's highest cable car ride. Guys, this Skyview cable car ride in Patni Top is just amazing. The mountain is surrounded by pine trees, lush green pine trees, as you can see. The best part which I feel is this is entirely private and you won't be sharing the cable car with any other tourists. It is so amazing at this time of night. Now this is how the valley looks during winters. Isn't it just beautiful? This is the ropeway terminal, so we have just come down in a cable car and you can see here there are so many activities both for adults and children. See the view, it is so awesome. The cost of per ticket is 885 rupees and the cable car ride is open till 6 p.m. The Skyview Cafe and Banana Leaf Restaurant serves delicious food. Patni Top offers more beautiful landscapes and gardens, so let's head towards it. Now this is super yum. You have to try the Golgappas in Patni Top without a fail. Of course, you can't have Golgappas when it's snowing, but you can definitely enjoy the view of the same place during winters and summers. There is more to come. I was super excited to see this view early morning from our room balcony. It's so calm, cozy and romantic. This was our stay at Patni Top during winters. It had just snowed and everything seemed so fresh. The houses of locals were almost buried in snow. Stick along with us till the end to know the next exciting place we are visiting. But now it's time for lunch, so don't miss the famous Rajma Chawal with loads of desi ghee offered by the dhabas on the way.
We were lucky enough to cross the Banihal tunnel, which was recently made by the Indian government. It reduces the travel time by 1 hour, which is very significant in a mountain drive.
We crossed Pulwama on the way, which is famous for saffron cultivation. You can get authentic saffron and Kashmiri kahwa from here. By seeing the willow trees and cricket bat factories, you must have guessed by now where we are heading next. Yes, it's Kashmir. Over the next few days, we'll be exploring Srinagar, Sonmarg, Gulmarg and Pahalgam. Do subscribe and click the bell icon to watch our journey forward. Don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you for watching.